This is my marketing plan and the name of my business is Twilight Muffins. This is my summary. Muffins are very individual size, similar to cupcakes which contains a moist coarse grain consistency. Muffins can be in simple cornmeal or cheese muffins. It could also be sweet and delicious chocolate, banana, blueberry, or lemon flavors. Twilight Muffins is a home-based muffins idea whose goal is to cater to the demands of muffins in the local vicinity since transportation to the market is very expensive. And with the current health protocol restriction, it serves as alternative to eat delicacies like muffins, and it is easy accessible to obtain one. This is my company profile. It is a small-medium business enterprise put up last May 2020 during lockdown. Concept of a home-based muffin business was started to be able to cater our muffin demands during lockdown. It is a family business located at San Vicente, Santo Tomas, Batangas. This is my mission. My mission is to provide home-cooked muffins without preservatives. Quality, since it's not a commercial and mass-produced muffins, one can really taste the home-based quality as if cooked right on your own kitchen. Affordability, based on the reduced expense of the rental of business establishment, it greatly affects the affordability of the product. Social health consideration, since it is a home-based business, it is baked without preservative. Health-wise, is a highly recommendable since it does not contain chemical that serves as preservatives which could lead to health problems someday. Vision, become the best and world's favorite muffin. Objective, to be able to cater muffin demand this holiday season, to be able to sell muffins online within Tanawan City and Santo Tomas, Batangas, to be able to put up a home-based muffin business to be able to reduce expenses. This is my SWOT analysis, strength, opportunities, weakness, and threats. Product quality checking. At most, quality check will be done per order basis. The objective is that each customer will enjoy the savory taste of the muffins and they will have the recollection of it to be one of the best muffins they've ever tasted. So, when they think of muffins, the first thing that will come to their mind is Twilight Muffins. Properties of the product. Muffins contain flour, liquid, egg, sugar, salt, shortening, and baking powder. The liquid, usually milk, represents about half the amount of flour on a volume basis, and it approximately equals the amount of flour on a weight basis. Uses of the product. Muffins can be alternative for cakes. It could be given as a gift on every occasion, whether it is a birthday, office gatherings, events, or a simple gift to a loved one or friend. Major uses of the product. Basically, the patrons of muffins are families who love to eat it. It is an alternative to cakes so those who are diet conscious will preferably choose muffins to cake based on its size. Geographical area of dispersion. It could be distributed online and locally. The social media is a marketing tool for online orders and could tie up with local delicacy store or pasalubong store. As a possible market, since balikbayans often patronize this kind of stores. This is my marketing program. For the marketing program, initially it will be offered to friends and family for initial order. Online posting of the product on local FB of Santo Tomas and Tanawan City will be done. Taping also of FB groups of different subdivision and villages and posting the product online on a regular basis will be done. Flyers can be also adopted. Maintaining a database of clients and sending them SMS on their phones. The goal is to create a great customer service in order for them to always be reminded of an alternative to cakes, which is muffins. Legal structure. Twilight Muffins is a single proprietorship. It is owned and operated by me. This is my muffin production of schedule, Monday to Sunday. Monday to Saturday taking of order, and Sunday production can be done on the same day as long as there is sample time to bake it and deliver it based on the need of the client. And this is my costing and distribution strategy. We will concentrate first in the vicinity of San Vicente, Santo Tomas, Batangas, and expand to the neighboring subdivision, which is Camellia Portelo and the Imperial Subdivision. We could later expand to Camellia Santo Tomas and the neighboring Lumina Homes and Camellia Fronteria. Promotion strategy. We will do the subdivision by posting online under groups that are public. Flyers could also be used. Social media also be used. Later on, friends in Tanawan City, Batangas will be taped and local delicacy store and restaurants. Presented by Ruth Capascia.